What's going on? Today is Tuesday, the 4th of June, 2024, and it has been a solid 2 weeks since I've uploaded a video, and I've just been busy. Life gets in the way sometimes. So honestly, there hasn't been much going on. I've just been opening slowly but surely very similar positions to what I've done in the past. So the one probably big note is I opened this new account here. It's called Contributions, and right now it has $344 in it. And over time, I'm going to continue to add, monthly or weekly contributions to this thing. And yeah, it'll just be another account. See how that will grow over time by adding money to it. Obviously, that's not going to count towards the P&L, but just see how that compares over time versus like the defined risk account and this futures account, where these two, I just have money and I'm investing. I'm not pulling from it and I'm not adding to it. And then I hope there's a way I can roll this buy and hold account into this defined risk, because they're both Roth accounts. And this buy and hold is just dumb. I don't even want to mess with it. I would rather just take that $350, put it into the defined risk, and then trade more options with it. Because right now this defined risk account is up like 10% on the year, where this buy and hold is down like a lot, like 20% or something. So yeah, anyways, so hopefully it'll just be 3 accounts going forward instead of these 4, but I don't know. I haven't even started to look into combining these 2 accounts. But all right, so as far as positions, let's see, the blue one here, I guess I'll click this so it separates it. So these are just free hedges. This is from the last expiration. These have 17 more days, so 2.5 more weeks, and those will be off the table, and they'll probably expire worthless unless there's some crazy market crash between now and then. And then this one here, let's see, anything in the last 2 weeks, days open. Yeah, 15 days. Oh, I did that credit hedge. I covered that one already. But then right here, I just did another short put, like way out of the money. Yeah, collected $10, which is $52.50 of real money. And that's very similar to this short put one. So it was like a 5 delta or something. If that, or no, let's take a look real quick. Here we go. That short put 2 is a 3 delta, and the short put 1 is also a 3 delta. So they both had, I put 100% when it's above 99.5%. So essentially it's guaranteed to profit in theory. But yeah, anyways, those are going fine. This short put 1 has been open for almost a month now, and I'm at 31%. So it's not a lot of money, but it's making money, and it's nearly guaranteed at greater than 99.5% pop, right? If I ever need buying power, those will probably be the first ones I close out and take the, $15 and $11 off the table as profit. Let's see, outside of that, this has been open 25 days. And then, yeah, I think this is the only other one. Did a 112-10. And I opened that at the money, as in the put spread was at the money. And so that's just a little more aggressive on the bear trap, right? And let's see, that was 11 days ago. So almost 2 weeks, and it's already up 15%, even though I started at the money. So yeah, I think that covers that account. And defined risk, it's going to be same old, 18 days. That one was already covered then. Yeah, just another 6 days ago, I opened a 112-10, and it's up $6, which is almost 6%. So the whole position, it was $1.03, which is 103 real dollars. And funny enough, that one's up money, but this one has been open for 18 days and is down just a couple bucks. So other than that, these are all free hedges. So those will just go away eventually, or I get lucky and they kick in. I mean, they're still going to be hanging around here for quite a while. Oh no, I'm looking at the wrong column. That one is 17 days. Well, this one has 45. And this is actually two hedges here at 73 days to expiration. And let's see. Oh, this new account, the contributions. And I just did a super far out of the money short put. And because this only has $344 in it, right? But I have enabled futures trading on it. And to sell a put this far out of the money only requires $184. So, it's about half of my buying power. So it's not much at all. I mean, the total trade price was $7.75, which is not even $40 of actual value. Yeah. So, I mean, talk about trading a small account. That's about as small as you can get. Probably close that out around 50%, make 20 bucks on 344, 20 divided by 344, that'd be, it seems measly, but that's a 5.8% return, on that account if I can make $20. So, but it's going to take like 2 months to make that 20 bucks. So we'll see. I'm also just really curious too if somehow this would sell off, if the market would sell off like 10% or something, like how quickly does this like bust this account and turn into a margin call, because all of a sudden the buying power would skyrocket, above 344. As long as it's, under 344 buying power, I mean, I'll just let it ride. Assuming it doesn't hit like a stop loss or whatever. So anyways, I just wanted to get $1 of theta, and that's exactly what this is. It's just over $1 of theta per day, and it's been open 1 day, and I've made more than $1. I'm up $2.87. So that account will be interesting to see how it goes, since it's so small, trading options, futures options, which use the most leverage. So hopefully I don't blow that up and lose my 350, but whatever. It'll be a good lesson all around for me and anybody watching this, hopefully. So, all right, I think that covers that. All these positions are just super conservative, either super far out of the money short puts like this one. I mean, look at this. This is at 4,000 and the current price is 53.67. So that would be 1367 divided by 53.67. That's 25.47% out of the money. It's like the odds of that actually, being touched are almost zero. And that's why it says 99.5% pop. Outside of a COVID crash in the next 108 days, this is probably going to make me some money. But yeah, I don't know. I guess I lost what I was saying there. But yeah, oh yeah, all these are super conservative. It's either these short puts super far out of the money, or, I'm back to the good old 112s. And those have been making money this whole year. So some take longer than others, because if the market doesn't cooperate and it pulls back, then I'm just quote unquote stuck in my positions. But that's fine as long as my buying power stays in check, which, the market sold off 7%, and it did. My buying power went from like 50% up to like 75 or 80%, but the probabilities were still huge. They were still like above 95%. And sure enough, I just held on for a couple more weeks. The market rebounded, IV went down, bada bing, bada boom, and it all worked out. So I guess that covers everything. Thanks for tuning in, and yeah, I'll try to be a little more on the ball with these videos. I've just been busy with basically end of kids' school year stuff. So end of sports, end of school, all that stuff right before summer. So we are almost done, and we are going to take a 2-week vacation here, but I'll do a video before that, and then obviously start up again after that, hopefully on a more regular basis. So, but yeah, otherwise, nothing out of the ordinary, just humming along, trying to keep my buying power working for me, and that's that. All right, thanks for tuning in. Hope you guys are doing well. See ya.